I think it's important to keep a good eye on who's behind all of these vaccines, who's making them, who's throwing the money into them, so on and so forth. Now, there's all kinds of experimental drugs running rampant out here. All these different companies trying to whip up some cocktails and serums. The ones that they've used thus far have not even been approved for anything. The ones that Canada is testing in Maryland, the human testing, they're sending 800 vials of that to the World Health Organization, but once again, it hasn't even been proven to work on humans or any side effects, anything like that. Now, Tekmira is one of the big companies out there that's lobbying to be the one that comes up with the perfect vaccine here. Now, in doing so, they have some investors, and one just raised some eyebrows, and that is Monsanto. They just threw $1.5 million at Tekmira, which is part of this milestone payment, and this agreement between the two looks to make like some $86 million, somewhere in the ballpark. But there's concerns here because all the people and the proponents against Monsanto look at it because of the GMO aspect, all of the bad things about it. And if any of that bad stuff is going to also be incorporated into a vaccine, I think people have a right to know. So once again, you have one of these players that just doesn't seem to have you and mine's interest at heart. They would rather you not know that their Monsanto stuff sitting on the shelf. You see, that's how scandalous these people are. Nonetheless, their involvement in something like this, I just want you to be aware of it. And if here down the road they start choosing a vaccine for this and that, just remember Tekmira is being backed here by the tentacles of Monsanto. I'll leave a link. It's been Dabu7. Eyes open.